I can't believe it's true myself, but after almost 2 years of consistent content, I finally got the opportunity to work with two of my dream brands. I remember just a year ago with less than 100,000 followers, speaking to one of my closest friends about these exact brands and how one day I will be working with them. And today's that day, because Foot Locker and New Balance have reached out to me about their upcoming spring campaign and how they want me to create a video for them. For those that don't know, I create lifestyle and fashion content on TikTok and Instagram, and thanks to my constant grind, Foot Locker decided to send me out 2 pairs of shoes and a little bit of money to create some fire content. Today, I'm gonna bring you along as I unbox the mystery sneakers and show you the behind the scenes of what it's like to create content for a sponsored post. So if you're like me and love creating content or just interested in seeing my creative process, then make sure to stay tuned because you won't want to miss a single second. We got some pretty special packages that we're grabbing right now, and I'm honestly super excited because one of these I've been waiting like almost 2 months to come in, which is the samples for my brand as well as a few packages for a brand deal. Now from the title you do know what brand it's from, but obviously I haven't seen what I got from them, so y'all are gonna have to wait a few more minutes for when I get home and I can finally reveal what Foot Locker and New Balance sent me. Alright, so we're back in Windsor now, and we just took one last stop before we go home, which was to get some pizza. This is Napoli's, and honestly we don't get this very often. She said she hasn't had Napoli since high school, which is years and years ago. The last time I had this was like 4 or 5 months ago. Got the Bevs, got myself an Arizona. She got Arizona too, but I got myself, what, fruit punch? You got?
Mango.
Mango. This shit busted, I'm not gonna lie. What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
It's alright. Get it out of my face.
Damn! So I'm back at the house now, and I'm rocking my fresh new sample that we just got from the States. But that's not what we're here for today. We're here for this box and this box right here. And honestly, I thought they were only sending out 1 pair of shoes, but New Balance actually sent out 2 different pairs of shoes. And honestly, I'm gonna be just as surprised as you guys because I have no idea what's in these boxes. Now, I don't wanna waste too much time because I'm super excited. Like, this is just a crazy, crazy thing for me. Honestly, it's pretty surreal. So I wanna just go ahead and open up these boxes, see what shoes we got, and yeah, let's check it out. Now the question is, which one do we open first? I'm thinking we go with the red first. Now we got a great box. I'm still not too sure what the shoe is. No more time for guessing. Let's just go ahead and open it up. And okay, the first shoe, we got ourselves the New Balance 990 V6 in this super dope gray colorway. Now honestly, these are one of my favorite colorways in this shoe, and I'm super glad that they sent these out considering I have no real shoe in gray besides my Dunks. But these ones are a lot more casual than the Dunks, so I'll definitely be wearing these more a bit day to day. And I already know that these are gonna be super comfortable, so I cannot wait. Now for the next box, let's go ahead and get in here. I recognize this box right here. If I'm right, these should be a pair of New Balance 550s. 3, 2, 1. And boy was I right, we got a pair of New Balance 550s in this almost, I was wearing like a dope Michigan colorway. Once again, wasn't expecting 2 pairs of shoes, so the fact that I got another pair of 550s, I'm pretty happy about this. And I can't wait to get some wears out of these shoes. Now that I got the product unboxed, it's time that I go through the creative briefing for this brand deal, then do a bit of planning so I can make my life a little bit easier when it comes to filming. So I don't really know how much information I can really show of this back end. Obviously the objective is just to feature whatever the products are. And I have for the most part full creative freedom. They just want a few specifics of like close-up shots, making sure that the logo's in it, and of course no including any type of competing brand. Besides that, they just want one 15-second video that I can post on TikTok and Instagram. And out of the 2 shoes, I think I'm probably gonna end up doing the 550s because I mean they're just super versatile and can go with a whole bunch of fits. I kind of have an understanding of what I want to do. I know for myself I want to highlight the versatility of the 550s, so I kind of want to grab a few different fits from my closet and do my best to show exactly that. I'm gonna probably put on 3 different outfits throughout the duration of the video. For sure gonna use this leather jacket because I want to kind of show a more formal or dressed up approach, as well as doing my signature streetwear style. And for the 3rd fit, I'm thinking about maybe wearing some jeans and like a graphic tee. Based off that, my work is pretty much cut out for me, so I'm just gonna go through my closet, grab whatever pieces I think will work best, and then see y'all in a few minutes. Okay, so now I basically got everything set up. The only thing that I have to do, which is the most important thing, is check to make sure that the mic is on, because too many times have I started recording or actually done a full recording for like 30-40 minutes and not had the mic on. It's the worst feeling in the world. So just make sure that if you guys are recording and using an external mic, to always check if it's on and if it's working, because just too many times, man. Today I'm styling a sneaker that every guy should, oh fuck, not every guy. Today I'm styling a sneaker that everyone should have this spring, the New Balance 550s. Ooh, banged it. So before I go ahead and do the B-roll clips and like move my camera around, it just makes sense for me to do all the talking bits in this one shot, so I don't have to do multiple moves of the camera and really just make life more difficult. Now I love these shoes so much that I had to get a second pair, and whether I style them with shorts, jeans, or something slightly more dressed up, I happen to always love the results. Yes, sir.
Keep losing sleep, I'm at extreme at midnight. So hard to please.
Filming for the TikTok is now complete, and I'm feeling pretty confident that this video is gonna turn out pretty damn fire. Now the last thing that I'll probably have to do is to head over to the computer and knock out the edit. Once I finish that, I'll check back in with you guys, then explain the last few steps that I have to do to fully complete this brand deal. Now I just finished all the editing for tonight. The TikTok's fully finished, and honestly, it turned out as fire as I thought it was going to. Now because this is a sponsored post, I can't just go ahead and upload it whenever I want. I do first have to submit my draft, which I'm actually gonna go ahead and do right now. And hopefully after a day or two, the marketing head over at Foot Locker is gonna go ahead and look at my video. And from there, they'll basically approve the video for posting or tell me any changes that they need me to make. Now, for the most part, I feel like I followed the rules. The only thing that might get me is the fact that I'm wearing like my Nova Market hoodie because it's a brand, but also it's not a competing brand, so I don't think it'll be too much of an issue. But basically, until my draft is seen by the marketing team and reviewed, it's kind of just a waiting game. So if you guys are interested in seeing the full sponsored post, I will be posting it on my Instagram and my TikTok in the upcoming weeks when it's ready to go live. So make sure to go follow me on one of those platforms. That will be all for today, but of course, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, as well as subscribing if you're interested in seeing more of my content. If you enjoyed this video, then I'm sure you'll like this video here, where I unlock the secret to TikTok growth in 2023. And give y'all my proven strategy that helped me skyrocket my account. As always, make sure to have a good day, and peace.